Welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your IMOO X10 smartwatch with your Android device. So while the watch is resetting, let's download the official IMOO application from the Google Play Store, which is called IMOO Watch Phone. Then install this application on your phone, and then let's wait for our IMOO watch to restart. In the meantime, we can prepare the nano SIM card to insert into the watch, and the SIM card picker, which we are gonna need to perform this separation properly. Okay, so once the application is installed, let's open it. Let's agree to terms and conditions. Then let's select the parent's birth year. Tap next, and then quick log in to the application using one of these two accounts or using your mobile number. Select one of these options, then tap continue. And now that the smartwatch is reset, let's first select the language for the watch. You have the list of languages. Just select the one that you want to use, then agree, then OK. And then we're gonna have to insert a SIM card or connect to Wi-Fi, or do the both to pair the watch with the smartphone. Now to insert the SIM card, the nano SIM card, you're gonna have to press this button, then open your smartwatch like this, and now grab the SIM card picker and place it like this next to your SIM card deck, and let's carefully try to push it upwards, push it downwards so that we open the SIM card tray. And after that, let's place the SIM card this way. Just place it in here, or maybe no, just showed you the wrong way. So instead it would be much more convenient to put it into the tray. Now we're gonna have to do this with the contacts of the SIM card facing upwards, so like this. And then let's put the SIM card tray back into its place, just slightly push it inside. Okay, now the SIM card is inserted. Let's unlock the phone. Okay, and now we're going through some introduction screens. So let's go to the last one, then tap OK. Now let's also connect to a Wi-Fi, so swipe down the services, then tap on Wi-Fi. Well, still we don't have no Wi-Fi to connect to. Hold down the Wi-Fi icon, then tap agree, then select the Wi-Fi from the list, and let's enter the password to the Wi-Fi. Now here we have the characters list. If you want to open digits, tap right here and select digits, and this way enter the password to your Wi-Fi, then tap OK to confirm. Then tap connect, and let's wait until we are connected to the Wi-Fi. And now let's tap on unbound icon to return to the connection screen, or to the pairing screen. We're gonna see the QR code, and we can okay, I just used the wrong, and we can scan this QR code using this application, but we're still gonna need to sign into our account. Let's allow this application to send us notifications. Now let's open the more section in the app, and let's select add watch. Now let's allow this app to use camera, and now we're gonna have to scan the QR code on our watch using the smartphone's camera. Okay. Now let's select next step and let's agree to privacy policy. And then in my case, I already have a previous account that I can bind with this smartwatch, but let's not migrate. Let's continue binding as a new watch. So now select the name the watch user calls you. So let's say brother. Then next step, then select your avatar. Tap next step once again. You can also select customized avatars if you want to. Then you can hit the checkbox next to auto update when connected to Wi-Fi. And then let's complete the kids info, agree and continue. Let's enter the nickname for the kid, so let it be Alex. Then here you can provide the phone number for your watch, then the date of birth of the kid, so select the date. So here we have the day, and no, here we have the month, the day, and the year. Here we can select an avatar for the kids, so either select one of the available ones or select from the photos on your phone. And then we can also provide some additional data like height, weight, and then confirm to complete the kids info. And now your smartphone and your watch are binded with each other, so they are basically paired right now, and that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.